Hi, it's Joan. This week we're looking at a wrap-up of preempts. The fact is that you've just got to accept that sometimes preempts will get you. They will ruin your bidding, you will bid too high, they will force you to lose communication, or they will keep communication with their long suit and you might fail. But we have to try as hard as possible to get to the best spot. So when they preempt against you, use all the tools like double, overcall to tell partner what you want to do and let them decide. If they decide no trumps, sometimes they need to play the hand very skillfully, because the one thing they've got to remember is that one hand has a very long suit and their no trumps should show a control or a winner, at least one, in their suit. But after that, what? So it's not only the first trick you have to worry about, it's making sure that the other side, the opponents, the preempting side, can't get in to their partner making all the long tricks in their suit. So the way you play a hand when someone preempts against you may be to break their communications. So try the hand I've given you, give it a go, and have a good week, everyone. Over East's 3 diamond preempt, showing a weak hand with 7 diamonds, the best action by South is a takeout double. It's perfect because you've got hearts, spades, clubs, and a shortage in diamonds. So that will ask partner to make the best bid they can think of. Well, 3 no trumps wasn't what we were hoping for. We wanted to play in a suit, but they must have good stoppers in diamonds. So pass. And on this hand, we need to be very careful. The lead is fourth highest of the long diamond suit. And if we were to win this first trick, and then our plan is to make 4 club tricks, hopefully 3 heart tricks, ace of spades, and a diamond trick. If we were to take the heart finesse and it lost to the king, a diamond would come through, assuming West has a doubleton, because East will have 7, and we will not make our contract. So what you've got to do to break the communications is duck the first trick. Now play the king. They win the ace and we discard. They play another diamond and we win the queen. Now take the heart finesse. It fails, but West can't return a diamond to East, who has all the winners. So we are in very good shape to make this contract now. And we would just take the spade ace as our 9th trick. So we made it. We would not have made it had we won the first diamond. We needed to duck and then allow our one winner to be made at a time that West wouldn't have a diamond left to get to those very devastating long diamonds in the East hand.